What's up, everybody? Hey, listen, I just want to highlight one of the greatest trades that we did in the aftermarket. Now, we were talking about whether or not to gamble with options as far as earnings reports are concerned, and I have strayed away from that. Obviously, it was upsetting not to be gambling on Google when that came out, but why not just wait for the number to come out and act accordingly to what you see? So I was very surprised to see Facebook ripping up like it did, especially if LinkedIn came in so hard, and the fact that Facebook had rallied from 28 bucks to $55. But I also expected the stock to gain a little bit back from the 5 or 6 point sell-off. Anyway, more importantly is what you're looking at right now is your after hours chart and why we were shorting this bad boy once it got back below 56.50. Now, first you had this, what we call the blow off top. If it would have broke 58, who knows, this thing could have gone to 60. But once it didn't break a big whole number in the after hours, then I was thinking, hey, maybe this thing's going to come in. Immediately started coming in. But more importantly, once it broke back under 56.50, right here, once it got back under 57, 56.50 looked reasonable price. For our target right now, what you're looking at is a standard deviation band where I thought the stock had pulled back to. So from 56.50 to 55 was our first short. Now, obviously, we were a little upset that we covered it as the stock started to pummel. And what happened here was it bounced right off your deviation band that we set, the +1 deviation band. And I said, hey, look, if this thing breaks down under 53.10, which was this price at the time, this thing could be in a lot of trouble. And if you look at my stock tweet post, I posted that before that happened. So as 53.10 was breached, we got short, and boom. The next indication we were looking for was to get to the VWAP price, was your $50.60. Got there, thought about, broke through your daily VWAP, and what I have here is a multi-day VWAP. So once it got through there, I'm thinking this stock might be going right to $45. Bounced pretty hard. But again, I wasn't going to cover this thing unless it really shook me out to, let's say, 52.50. So thankfully, this happened in a matter of moments, and now you see how it couldn't get back above your multi-day VWAP, which became my stop. Now, my original target, once it broke under there, and see how it kissed it right here, couldn't get back above. These two ticks were kind of an anomaly. Those weren't real. And then where did we think that the stock could get to? Where was our cover price? If you look to the right side right here at 47.83 is where that stock got to on a recent sell-off. So I was looking for the stock to basically close this semicircle, get down to 47.83, put the bid out there at 47.83, and covered. So our trade was $53.10, covered at 47.83. Fantastic. Good luck to you guys who are still in the stock. And if you'd like to, just send me an email to info@hitthebid.com and come hang out on the broadcast with us. This is all we do. We just sit here and stare at VWAP charts all day and try to find some stocks that we can make some money on. You're all welcome. Just send me an email. I'll give you a password. info@hitthebid.com. See ya.